Hi everyone, this is the Maths with Adam, and today we will talk about the formulas and how to substitute into a formula. So, first problem, we will start with the problem. We will make a formula and we will substitute into this formula. So, a worker get $10 in every hour. Calculate his income if he works 2 hours, 5 hours, and 9 hours. Sometimes in maths we don't have formulas. For example, here we will make a plan, and this plan will be the formulas. Okay, so it's a real life problem. If you are going to work, you will get money in every hour, every half hour, for every day, etc., etc. So we don't have an income money formula or something like this. Okay, so right now we will write an income formula, income money formula, but it will work in this case. Okay, so income money equal $10 times the worked hours. So this is the formula, and we know it's like it's a linear ratio. So if 1 kilo, this is my example every time. If 1 kilo banana $2, then 2 kilo is 2 times $2. 4 kilo 4 times $2. Okay, yes, dollar. Okay, so this is what we will use. Income money equal, in the first case, 10 times 2. So it will be $20. Sorry, the dollar sign will come front of the number like this. Second case, 5 5 hours times $10, or just 10 times 5. It's the same. We can change the order in the multiplication. So it will be $50. Last one, 10 times 9. So it's $90. Okay, so what did we do? We just write back the numbers here in every case. And we calculated the income money. Next one. Yes. So calculate the AB 3b minus 2a, 2a cubed, 2a times a plus b. So I will just substitute into the formula, but don't forget AB means, sorry, a times b. Okay, so it's not 2, 3. Okay, it will not work like this. It's 2 times 9 if I substitute back. Basically, the b it's covered the 9. Okay, the a it's covered the 2. So 2 times 9. I can calculate this. This is 18. This will be the same. 3 times b, 3 times 9 minus 2 times 2. 3 times 9 is 27 minus 4, it's 23. Next one. 2 times a cube, so it's 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, it's 2, 4, 8 times 2, 16. And the last one, 2 times 2 times, bracket, 2 plus 9. First one, the bracket, it's 11, Okay, I will write down everything again, and we will just multiply from the from back to right, from left to right. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry. So it's 2 times 2, it's 4 times 11, it's 44. Okay, and we solve the problem. Next one, it's a special one. It's a, I put here a star. It will be a little bit harder. So we have a square and a rectangle. Write an expression for the perimeter and the area. So basically we will do we will substitute into the formula, but first just the a and the a squared minus 1 and the 3a. Okay, so first we will start with the rectangle, with the square. So first is the square. The area of the square is a times a. So, and the perimeter of the square is a plus a plus a plus a. So 4a. 4a. So right now we don't have any other letter here, so it's no a plus b. So if I have something like this, you will see what will be the difference. So basically it's a easy question. Just calculate the area if and the perimeter if a equal 5. So here we will just substitute and calculate. So the area is 5 centimeter to the power 2. It's a multiplication. If I raise a multiplication, I raise the numbers in the multiplication. So 5 square times centimeter square. So it's 25 centimeter square. And the perimeter equal 4 times 5 centimeter. It's 20 centimeter. Okay. What will happen with the rectangle? With the rectangle, it will be a little bit different. Okay, I will just write the rectangle here. Okay. So one side, the area of the rectangle is length times height. Okay, or a times b or x times z or whatever. We can just name the sides as we want. And the perimeter, it's height plus length plus height plus length. So L plus W plus L plus W. So it's 2 times L plus W. Okay. So we have the formula, but the one side, it's not L and W. Okay, so it's not a number, it's an expression. So one side, the side's also an expression. So we will substitute an expression into an expression, and after we will write back the a. Or we just write back the a now. We calculate the length of the sides, and after we just substitute back the numbers. Both will work. Okay? But first, it's a hard problem. This is I put here a star. Okay? So if we just substitute back the expressions first, it's hard. So first I will just First I will just calculate the W and the L, and after we will just calculate the things. So first the L equal 3a and the height equal a squared minus 1. So the L equal 3 times 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Okay, I'm just, yep. So a square, it will be centimeter square. Right now we just will write centimeter. Okay, so 5 square minus 1. 25 minus 1, it's 24 centimeter. Okay, I did a little mistake here. Never mind. We need just this one and this one. So L is 15, WB 24. We will substitute back. So the area equal I will talk about this later, okay? But here the centimeter also on the square. So it's a area basically, not a, but here I just give a, okay, it's not a, I just give an expression for a length. So A is 5 centimeter. Okay, it's on the edge. Never mind. So right now this is not the most important thing. 15 times centimeter times 24 centimeter. Okay, this is the area of the rectangle, and here was the area of the square, the perimeter of the square. So if I multiply this, it will be 360, because it's 10 times 224, so it's 240, and I half it because 5 times and 5 times is like 10 times divided by 2, so 10 times 240 plus 10 times 240 divided by 2, so it's 240 plus 120, it's 360 centimeter square. The perimeter, I will use the last formula, 2 times 15 centimeter plus the 24 centimeter. It's 39 centimeter times 2, it's 78 centimeter. Okay, the perimeter is normal centimeter. Okay, it's a length. This is how many centimeter or meter or kilometer gates we need if we want to build a fence, basically. Okay, and this is the area. Okay, next one. Calculate if A, B, C equals 3, 5, and 2. So A square, 3 square times B, it's 5, divided by 2. Sorry, 2. So 9 times 5 divided by 2. 9 times 5, it's 45. Divided by 2, it's 22.5. 4 times A, 4 times 3, plus 2 times 2, equal, or here, sorry, you can just write 45 over 2. Okay, it's also a good solution, but it's a fraction form. So it's 12 plus 4, it's 16. 4 times 5 minus 2 times 3 plus 2 equal. And we calculate first the multiplication. After we will take away and add the 2. So 4 times 2, it's 20, minus 2 times 3, it's 6, plus 2. 20 minus 6, it's 14, plus 2, it's 16. A plus B times B minus C. So 3 plus 5 times 5 minus 2. I just substitute back. Sorry. So, I'm sorry. So, 3 plus 5 is 8 times 3, it's 24. 4b over 1, 4b over a plus c. 4 times 5 over 2 plus, sorry, 3 plus c. So it's 4 times 5, it's 20 over 3 plus 2. So the 2 is equal with 6 over 3, because 6 divided by 3 it's 2. So I can add these two fraction. It's 26 over 3. Here is the solution. Next one. 6 times b squared divided by a plus c on the second power. So I will just substitute 6 times b squared, it's 5 squared, divided by a plus c, it's 3 plus 2 on the second power. It will be 6, because 6 times 25 divided by 3 plus 2, it's 5. On the second power, it's also 25. So first I multiply something by 25, after divide this something by 25. So basically I do nothing. I multiply by 1. So it's 6. Okay? Because if I multiply by something with a number, by a number, and after I divide this by the same number, then the value of the number will not change what I multiplied. Half times a times b times c on the second power. Okay. 3, 5, 2. Half times 3, 5, 2 on the second power. 2 times half, it's 1. 3 times 5, it's 15 on the second power. Okay, I will calculate here. 15 times 15. 5. 225. Yep, this is the Hungarian method. We start multiply by the from left to right. Okay, so not with the 5. If you multiply by the 5 first, 75, and after you step just the left, and it will be the same. Okay, just like this. 5, 75, and after just 15. It will be the same. So, okay, we work from left to right and not right to left. I know a lot of methods. I worked in English school, so I also know the bus stop method if I divide, but I prefer use the Hungarian division. Also, the English multiplication is really good from right to left, but normally if I multiply and it's not small numbers, I use a calculator. Right now it's faster, just multiply on paper, basically. Right and forth. So 6 times a times b divided by a squared minus 2bc. So 6 times 3, 2, yes. 3 times 2 divided by 3 square, sorry, minus 2 times 5 times 2. So it will be 4, but 6 times 3 it's 18, times 2 it's 36, divided by 9, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 20 equal. So it's 4 minus 20, it's minus 16. How did I calculate it? Really fast. The 6 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 divided by 3 times 3. So I just simplified by the 3. Okay, so I multiply again something by 3 times 3 and after just divide 3 times 3. So it's 2 times 2 basically. Okay, cancelled or simplify. Find the value of the expression if n equal 1, 3 or 5. So just substitute back here. Basically the same problem. 1 to the power 3 plus 1 plus 41 equal. Okay, this is an expression. I cannot simplify this because they are different groups, okay, different families, different terms, and I cannot calculate. So it's equal with itself. But if I give a value of the n, just here, then I can calculate because they will be 1 to the power 3 plus 1, 3 to the power 3 plus 3 plus 41. Okay, so it's 43. 3 to the power 3 plus 3 plus 41 equal 27. 3 times 3 it's 9, times 3 it's 27, plus 3 it's 30, plus 41 it's 71. Okay, and the last one, 5 to the power 3 plus 5 plus 41. 5 to the power 3 it's 125 plus 5 plus 41. This is just a sketch. It's 171. Okay, because it's 130 plus 70 plus 40 plus 1, 171. And the little calculation with negative numbers. Okay, so it's also really important. If you have a negative sign, just put a bracket because everywhere is an invisible bracket. Okay, because the negative sign will belongs to the 4. So 4 times 2 times minus 4. 4 times 2 it's 8 times 4. Okay, I will write down again. 8 times minus 4 plus times minus it's minus 8 times 4 it's 32. This is the final answer. It's also a star. It's not in the book, but I wanted to show it. Okay, so minus 2 times minus 4 times 2. Minus times minus it's plus. 2 times 4 it's 8 times 2 it's 16. Okay, it's also plus 16 if I don't write there the plus sign. A square plus b square, 2 to the power 2 plus minus 4 to the power 2. Okay, So it's 2 times 2 plus minus times minus 4 times minus 4. Oops, sorry, like this. Minus times minus, it will be plus 16 plus 2 times 2, it's 4. Plus and plus next to each other, it will be a plus sign, okay? So 4 plus 16, it's 20. Minus 4 to the power 3. So it's minus, and we will just open this, break this into pieces. I will use a bracket. We can put here a bracket. We can put here a bracket too, but it's useless. But here, what I just put, it's really useful because it will separate this minus sign, because it's like minus 1 times b cube. Okay, so minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4. I will move these things a little bit because I need some space, like this. Okay, so I will just calculate this one first. So minus 4 times minus 4, it's plus 16, plus times minus, it's minus 16 times 4, it's 64. And minus 1 basically times minus 64, it's minus times minus, it's plus 1 times 64, it's 64. And we solve the problem. Okay, so any negative number on an odd power, it will be negative. Okay, so it's the b is negative, so negative to the power 3, it will be negative, times minus 1, it will be positive. So basically it's equal with, okay, not equal, but if you just want to calculate really fast in your head, I will use an arrow here. It's positive b square. Okay, so like cube, sorry, like 4 cube. Okay, so this is a little cheating or something like this. 4 square. Okay, if you want to calculate in your head really fast, but first just write down, understand the problem, and after you can playing with the things. Okay, if you practiced and you are sure in your knowledge, after you can use these things. So 2 times minus 4 to the power 2 times minus a is 2, so minus 2. If the a is minus 2, then minus 2, double bracket. Okay, it's just an example, but it's right now it's positive. So first the indexes, so 2 times minus 4 times minus 4, it's minus times minus, it's plus, times 4 times 4, it's 16, so it's just plus 16 times minus 2. 2 times 16, it's 32, times minus 2, it's plus, times minus, it's minus, 32 times 2, it's 64. As you can see, here I didn't said plus times plus. No, it's plus and plus next to each other. They will be plus. Okay? Sorry, I just forget the bracket here. Okay, this is really important because I met many times. Plus 4 plus minus 10. And you know, I just it was not this example, somehow it was the student just thought this minus and this plus will be minus, and just add the two numbers or something like this. Okay, don't do this. First, every time convert the bracket, okay, into a plus or minus sign, just one. Okay, so 4 plus minus, it's minus 10. If I say plus minus, they are next to each other. If I say plus times minus or plus times minus, then I multiply them, okay, or divide. So this is for today, and see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it, and bye.